Here I'm asked to simplify some rational expressions. First one here is subtraction. So to deal with this, I'm going to go ahead and get a common denominator first. To do so, I'm going to multiply the right side by x minus 2 over x minus 2, and the left side by x minus 3 over x minus 3, because I want to get a common denominator, so I'm multiplying the other denominator into each of them as a giant one. So when I do that, I'm going to distribute that 5 to get 5x minus 15 over, I guess I'll just leave it as x minus 3 times x minus 2 for now, minus, and then I have to do 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. I'll do this in a box. So 2x plus 1, x minus 2, 2x squared, x, negative 4x, and negative 2, which when I put it all together becomes 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. And now I have a common denominator. So now I can just subtract across, right? So in this case here, what I should end up getting is negative 2x squared, and then 5x minus a negative 3x is plus 8x. Negative 15 minus a negative 2 would be negative 13 over x minus 3 times x minus 2. In a perfect world, I guess we'll do it here real quick. We want to multiply these together. That's just the way that I think looks most simplified personally, because simplifying and factoring are kind of opposites, and this is in factored form here. So this should become x squared minus 5x plus 6, and that would be our final answer. Second one here is multiplication. So to do this one, I'm going to first factor all 4 of these things here. And I'm not going to spend the time to factor them on screen here. So factoring is an issue for you, then you should probably work on that somewhere else. That sounded rude. First, I'm going to factor out this here. Factor this to, what is that, m plus 7 and m minus 2. This factors to 3m minus 5 times m minus 3. Again, I'm not showing factoring on screen because we should probably know how to by now, and I just want to make sure that you understand how to do the new stuff here. So I need to do one more here because this is actually a difference of squares. So this is m plus 2. And minus 2, is there any other factoring that I can do? I think that's it. So now I'm just going to multiply across, and which means I can start kind of canceling some things out that are the same. So I see here that there's an m plus 2 in the numerator and denominator, which when I divide, they equal just 1. Same thing with m minus 2. Let's see here. I don't see... Oh, there's 6 over 3, which is just 2. And I think that is it. That can be canceled. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So putting it all back together here, 3 minus 5, m minus 3, all over m plus 7, m minus 5. And again, personally, I like it better when things are multiplied back together, but for time's sake, we'll go ahead and leave our answer in factored form here. So got everything canceled. It's as simplified as it gets, except for we didn't multiply everything together. But there you are.